Welcome to this unboxing video. This is the ARK Models 1 to 72 scale Lockheed PV-1 Ventura aircraft. The box features a somewhat dated artwork, but feels strong enough to protect the kit inside. The lid itself has Russian and English language information on the kit history and manufacturing owner. Once the kit is opened, it contains a photocopied instruction leaflet in Russian and English, a glossy color paint and decal instruction sheet with 2 paint options. The 2-sheet photocopied instructions consist of 11 stages and use hand-drawn steps for guidance. There is also 2 decal sheets and a sealed bag containing the kit parts. With the bag open, there are 4 grey plastic sprues and a clear sprue for the canopy and other glass areas. The kit parts have moderate surface detail for this scale, with panel lines, engine details, and rivets for added authenticity. The 2 figures included in the kit are, I feel, not as detailed. In total, there are 73 parts to the kit, and although there is some flashing evident, especially around the propeller and wings, the parts appear to be easily removed from the sprues. The overall dimensions of the completed kit according to the box are 275 mm wide and 215 mm long. The color guide states that 5 or 6 colors are required depending upon the model chosen, and the color guide is based on hobby color scheme. I hope this in-box review video has been useful.